Gianni naman, grabe, every single time, meron siyang ability na i-charm kaming lahat dito sa audience. Kasi yung confidence niya, yung swag niya, yung linis din ng pagkanta, yung technique, sobrang ibang level din yung professionalism ni Gianni as a singer.
And but I think what I liked about tonight is he could have chosen a song na mas nasa range ng comfortable siya. Pero ito, he chose to perform a song na challenging enough na pati siya talaga mas-stretch. And he did it. Like, he nailed it. So, both of them, sobrang excited kami sa kalalabasan sa finals.
Gianni and Audris, good luck sa inyo. Nandito kami for you. At sobrang proud namin sa inyo.